to add a hyperlink to your text in Framer, it's super easy to do. So this is your text. If we preview it, we can click and it will open a new window because I just put Google as a destination. So let me show you how to do that. Come here, we click on text, T for text, just tap, this is, or okay, so if you want to read more, click here. All right, so let's say you just want to hyperlink the click here. You double click on your text, you highlight the words that you want to hyperlink, and then you go on to type right corner, click on plus sign on link, and then you just type your URL or the page in itself. So just Google again, and then you can style your link by clicking here, click on edit, and then you have the default color that could be, for instance, gray, and then the hover is a pink or whatever color you want here. Okay, and decoration is underline. Current, you can put it to the same color as the hover, and that's pretty much it. Now if we preview, we got it. All right, so that was it for this tutorial. Really quick and easy. Let me know if you have any more questions.